What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the big development. Let's go take a look, see how we're getting on. It is crazy right now. As you can see, we're building new foundations for new supporting walls. There's bricks everywhere. And most importantly, there's no ceiling. There's no ceiling on the property. All right, which is absolutely mental. Or should I say, there's no ceiling on the coach house. And if you go back to when we spoke, on the last video, you will see I was stood about here, and this was a fully formed coach house, but with the pretty windy. Don't watch that. I've got a lot I want to show you. Let's get round and take a look. So as you can see, this here is going to be another exit from the coach house. But the most important thing to notice here is we've had to lose this wall. We've had to lose a wall here, and you see we've started to dig for foundations because this wall wasn't strong enough to take the second story that we're building. So more block work here, which will be supporting, block work here, supporting, couple steels, and we should be ready to roll. Now take a look at this extension, absolutely massive. And what I love about it is every opening that you see right here, these are going to be bifold, clean, black. All right, windows. All you're going to see is the glass right here. It's going to be nice. And if you continue to go with me all the way around here, okay, this wall's going because this is going to be the entrance into this section. Then we're thinking here you're going to have sort of mini lounge area. We're going to have TV right here, okay, bang, which will have a TV facing this way and a TV facing that way, dining room there, and then back where we've just come from, all here is going to be your kitchen area. Now, got a really cool idea, and you know what I'm like, I always tell you these great ideas, but you'll have to see if it happens. But what we're thinking is, if you follow me, if we have kitchen here, all the way down here, and then all the way around here with an island where I'm stood, then what's going to happen is about there's going to be a kitchen cabinet that's not a kitchen cabinet, and that's going to be a secret door into the coach house. So let's see if we can pull that off. Now, one thing I love about this space is even though this area is single story, it's got a vaulted ceiling. Now look how high this wall is. It's absolutely mental. I mean, I'm 6'1", 6'2", so you can see this is high, and it's going to give so much space and light. Plus, this is a south-facing garden, right? So you can see how lit up I am now. It's going to be so beautiful, and we've still managed to maintain a good size garden. So it's a win-win. And all of a sudden, is it just me, or can I smell £1 million house? One of the key things we've had to work with the architect to achieve is how we can fuse these two buildings together. So behind me, you've got the original existing building, and I'm stood in the rear extension right now. So what's going to happen is we're actually going to open this all out. We're going to smash a steel in, and that's going to allow you to walk into the house, see all the way through into the garden, south facing, which is beautiful, and then you're going to be able to swing round into the communal space. Now, what's great about this house, and I think this is why we're going to get the valuation, is not only have you got all this communal, but behind me you've got a additional TV room, and over there you've got way more communal space on the ground floor. It's going to be amazing, and I can't wait for you to see it. So what's my play with this? That's probably what you're thinking, right? Well, look, I'll be 100% honest with you. I never ever thought I would be here just in 5 years. Like when I started, all I wanted is a couple grand of cash flow. That's all I wanted. And I've just slowly built up, and we went from sort of an 87 grand purchase to a 220, to a 300, to a 350, to now a 450. And then our exit on this is 1 to 1.2 million. So let's talk figures. Well, we purchased this for 450,000. We're probably already about 180 grand in, and you can see we've got loads more to do. So I'm expecting to spend around 350, which is going to take me to what, 450 with quick maths, it's going to take me to about 800 grand. But I'm looking to refinance it somewhere in between $1 million and 1.2. Don't tell anybody, right? And if we can do that, I'm going to pull out all of my refurb money, all my purchase money, a little bit of profit as well. But we are then sat on this brilliant asset in an amazing location. And it's almost like a bit of a rite of passage, like just owning that £1 million property, especially in my area. Like in my area, £1 million property is going to get you a 5-bed, 4-bath, like all singing, all dancing property. But a lot more work to do. Stay tuned. I'm going to keep updating. I've got some amazing ideas and plans for the inside of this property, and clearly we need to push the finish quite high. But, and I was just speaking to Nick about this, I'm not buying any more houses this year. This is my main focus, okay? Scaling the rent to rents as always, okay? Making sure that I'm helping as many of you as possible, doing great content. And then at the end of this year, we're going to be able to say, right, this is where we're at, and then make the next wave, because I think there's going to be a correction, and when the market goes down, that's when the opportunities will come. So let's make some money, let's stack it, and then let's reinvest it. So that's all from me. I hope you've enjoyed this. Comment below, let me know what you think. This stuff is mental, it's surreal, but it is so real. I'll see you in the next one.